morning from Barcelona. Today will be first day that I am going to explore Barcelona for the first time, and I'm super excited. And this is the view from my hotel room. It's a little bit loud this morning because I think there's a lot of construction going on, as you can see and heard. Anyway, let me show you the view from my hotel room. A partial view of the cathedral. I say this is a pretty good view, and I like that, there is this little balcony here, and I can just stand and look outside. I am on my way to the market and taking a walk in the Gothic Quarter, and let me show you the view.